In this video, we're going to show you how to restore any missing or deleted services in Windows 11. All right, so I'm going to show you two ways to do this. The first way is through the recycle bin. As long as you didn't delete the files using the Shift Delete shortcut, you should be able to find them in the recycle bin. So what you want to do is double click on the recycle bin and then select the files that you need to recover. For example, we don't really have any files that we deleted, and just right click on the file. For example, let's say this is the one, and just click on restore, and you will be able to restore that file again. So another way is to use undo delete with the folder from which you'd accidentally delete the file in. Press Ctrl Z or right click anywhere in the file and choose undo delete, and you'll be able to undo the mistake that you have made. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing, that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.